Good evening, friends. It's late evening, and I decided to come and talk to you for a few minutes. My watch here is saying it's 10:28, and I'm about to switch off lights for these birds in very few minutes. Once it clocks 11, I'll be switching off lights for these birds. You know, we are day 30 and it looks like the journey has just started. There are so many things that one needs to learn about raising broiler birds. And one of them is the fact that dark periods for these birds is very, very important. I remember when I had just started raising these birds, not these ones particularly, but even the previous batches, most of the farmers can testify to this. We were told, or we've been convinced to believe that we are now supposed to let these birds rest. They're supposed to eat 24/7. Well, I know not restricting feeds for these birds is very important, but not letting them to rest is counterproductive. It brings about a lot of issues, and that's something I'm going to talk to you about in a few seconds. Make sure you have subscribed to the channel and you have liked our videos, you know, because that's the least you can do for us. And it's a bit of motivation to keep these videos coming your way, right? So what is dark period and how is it supposed to be done and why is it so important in the lives of these broilers? Well, research shows that broilers need between 4 to 6 hours of darkness, which by the way you must introduce gradually. In fact, this is for the grown-up broilers from day 8 to 42 days. Now, it's even more important if you introduce this darkness, this dark period, right from day 1. When you introduce at least an hour of darkness to day-old chicks, it's very important in, number 1, preparing them. These power outages are inevitable. They're most likely to happen at any time, and when it comes to Uganda, I think that's the normal. So when you introduce this hour from day 1, you are telling these birds, you training them that these dark periods are normal and safe, so they shouldn't panic in case the power goes off. It's one way of preparing them. I don't know how many of you've experienced this on your farm when these chicks are young. What usually happens is that once it gets dark like this, they run around in panic and they start piling on each other. And before you know it, they have suffocated, and you might even realize mortalities during that period. That's why most people, I think from that experience, experts have gone ahead to advise farmers that don't put off the lights because to avoid such situations. But if you train these birds, prepare them, even when you get like power outages, nothing will happen to these birds. They will just stand wherever they are and sit until power comes back. The second reason is once you introduce this 1 hour of dark period, you are enabling these birds to rest. When you're giving these birds constant light without any period of darkness, they will not rest. It will activate them. They will become so active, and instead of utilizing the feed you're giving them, they will just burn it because of too much activity. So this 1 hour allows them to slow down, rest, and in that process, they are actually utilizing the food, hence better growth. Then the other third reason why you should actually have dark periods in your day-old chicks is the fact that once you give them this 1 hour of dark period, you are establishing a routine for them. You know, routine is very important, not only for humans, but also for these birds. They have their natural routine, by the way. If we are to raise them naturally, they will be sleeping at night and waking up by dawn. That's what happens. So since we are raising these birds under intensive intensive management, we are supposed to introduce this dark period to establish for them a routine. So that they know once power is off, once the dark period comes, we are supposed to sleep. And once the lights are on, immediately they will know it's time for eating. So this routine will help them to look for food immediately once the lights are on. We know these birds, they are so lazy. Sometimes you even force them off the walls to go and look for food. So once this routine is here, you might save yourself from that energy of pushing them off the walls. Some can even take hours without eating unless you move around and you're forcing them to go look for feeds. So from day 1 to day 7, you're giving these birds an hour of darkness. You're taking away an hour from their 24 hours. How about from day 8 to until the birds leave the farm? That's in the mature birds. What's the importance of introducing darkness? Because at this point, we are at least giving them between 4 to 6 hours of darkness. So number 1, it helps with better bone development. How? When you introduce constant light, you're technically telling these birds to eat constantly, and the result is going to be these birds are going to grow so fast. Because of their accelerated growth, the bones that are not yet fully developed, they are not going to be able to support this massive weight. So the darkness is going to slow down this accelerated growth, and in the end, it will give a chance to the bones to catch up with this weight. The other important reason for dark periods in broilers is for better improved feed conversion. How is this possible? When you introduce dark periods in your birds, they are going to develop a natural feeding cycle. And through this natural feeding cycle, these birds are going to waste less feed, and they will be able to convert this feed effectively into meat later on once you switch on the lights. If you allow darkness to these birds, you are allowing them to rest. And if you allow them this simple rest, you are allowing their immune system to develop properly. These birds have certain organs that are constantly under pressure, and one of those organs is the heart. But if you allow them time to rest, you are allowing time to relieve these birds' organs like the hearts of the stress, the too much stress and pressure under which their organs are. And once the heart is in proper shape, it's functioning properly, it means these birds are going to grow, they are going to grow well because the immune system is improved. But also, this is going to solve certain problems. We all know that there are certain diseases, that there are certain deaths that happen to these birds and they are not explained. Once you ask a vet, my bird just died out of nowhere, it's because maybe some parts of their organs have failed to function. It's because you are not allowing them time to function properly. The other thing about gaining muscle, once you are giving these birds feed constantly, you may be surprised to reach a point of selling them and these birds are not weighing that much. It's because they have gained too much fat instead of muscle. So introduce these dark periods. Have I introduced them to my birds? Absolutely yes. I hope you have learned a thing or two from this video, and if you have, kindly give it a like. And as you can see, it's 11 p.m. It's the time when we switch off lights for these birds and let them rest. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.